Today, I want to talk about 2.1, analyzing work and span. First is definition. Work T means the total number of operations the algorithm perform if executed sequentially. Second is span to infinity, means the longest chain of dependent operation. The critical part, representing the theoretical best execution time on an infinite number of processors. Next, work and span of parallel measure solved. Let's assume the input size is n. First point, work T, same as a sequential merge solve. For example, T1 equals 0 and log 2n. But span to infinity occurs along the longest dependency chain from root to leaf in the regression tree. For example, 2 infinity equals 0 log 2n. Each level of regression can be done in parallel, but merging depends on lower level being completed. In conclusion, parallel merge solve does the same amount of work as normal merge solve 0 and log n, but if we use unlimited processor, it can finish in 0 log n time because only the merge step depend on each other.
Okay, so today I want to present about hypothetical scenario. So we want to sort this array 4260. So the first thing first we need to do is we will split them into half, 4 and 2, 6 and 0, and then we will split them again until they're left with one item, that is 4, 2, 6, 0. Then at this level we will start to merge them and compare them. So like 4 and 2, so 2 is smaller, so 2 goes to at the front and 4 goes to at the back. The same thing goes to 6, 0. 0 is smaller, so 0 at the front, 6 goes at the back, and then we will merge them again. So we will compare them. 0 is the smallest here, so 0 goes at the very front, 2, 4, 6. So that's it, how we sort this array.
So today I will talk about total work and span. So for the first one is total work. So for the total work is total number of operation performed regardless of parallelism, as if on a single processor. So we've been given from this image by 4 number, 4260, and the n will be equal by 4. Then work formula is 0 and log 2n. So the calculation will be 4 multiplied by log 2, then multiplied by 4 will be equal 8 unit. This means this algorithm would perform 8 unit of work if done sequentially. Then we will go to span. Span is the longest dependency chain of the critical path length, the minimum time to complete the task within infinite processor. So we've been given the span formula 0 log 2n, and based on the image we've been given 4 numbers, 4260. So n will be equal by 4. Then we will do the calculation, log 2 multiplied by 4, then we will get 2 unit. This means that with an infinite parallelism, the task will complete in just 2 time unit, since only 2 level of dependency exist.
Amdahl law, theory of speed up. Amdahl law predict the theoretical speed up we can get when we parallelize a task. The formula like above. F is the serial fraction and P is the number of the processor. Even many processor, if some part of the code is serial, it limit how fast the program can run. For example, with 10% serial code, the maximum speed up is only around 10 times. How the span critical path limit the achievable speed up even when the total work is large. The span or critical path represent the longest chain of dependent tasks in a parallel program. The task that must be executed one after another due to data or control dependencies. Even if the total work is large and highly parallelizable, the speed up is fundamentally limited by the span.